promised, I'm coming back to you guys with the RiRihair review, which is this blonde unit that I have on right now. I know it's looking a little bit unkempt, but what I'm going to do in today's video is I'm going to show you my unboxing, and then I'm actually going to style the hair while I go through my review and talk about my sort of overall review of the hair. So I wanted to get something really different for the summer, and I was searching for a blonde, but I just wasn't sure what type, because I know different blondes suit different people's skin tones better. I wanted to go for this ash blonde, and I did a YouTube search and I came across a video from the amazing Lindsay Anastasia, and she sold me. Honestly, this hair is amazing, and I'm so glad that I made the purchase. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys the unboxing where I open up the hair and I kind of give you a bit of details about the hair, and then I'm gonna come back and style my hair, and then I'm gonna come back and tell you guys how I feel about the hair as a whole. I've had this hair for going on 3 months, so I did want to wait a good amount of time to see really how the hair was gonna take, like the texture, how well it takes heat and everything like that, to really give like a good thorough review. And I'm actually glad that I waited a few months so that I feel like you're getting like a real, like genuine review, not like me just putting the hair on for like a week or putting the hair on for 2 weeks. So let me show you all this unboxing, and I'm gonna come back and do my hair. So the hair came in this really cute box. So we are about to unbox this RiRihair. I cannot wait, it's so gorgeous. Y'all. Okay, so it comes with a really nice brush. So a few facts about the hair. This unit is an 18-inch. It's the Sofia, and it is 130 density. The knots are bleached, and the hairline is pre-plucked. I will be inserting some more details in the description below. Okay guys, I'm back, and I'm just gonna style the hair now. I'm actually traveling today, so I figured I would just wake right up and kind of show you guys how I style the hair. Typically, like on a work day or if I'm going out or something, I might add a bit of curls on the end, but today I think I'm just gonna do a straight look. So one thing about this hair is that it's really silky. And it's not like, as you can see, it doesn't really tangle. You can pretty much get through it really quickly. One thing I really liked about the hair as well is that the hairline was plucked. So I'm just gonna go in with my flat iron. So yeah, as I said, this hair is super smooth. Therefore, it's really easy to straighten. I mean, even like after I give it a good wash and blow dry, it doesn't need that much work. Like in my last video, was it the last video? Yeah. In my last video, I had literally just washed it and blow dried it. Literally all I had to do was run the flat iron through it a couple times, and that was it. So as you can see, the hair is so silky. I can also say that I have not experienced any tangling, any like weird funny ends, because I know sometimes hair, like when you order certain, well, that's if you order the wrong type of hair. You can get, like, the hair will be fine at first, but then it starts getting like tangled and stuff at the ends, but that does not happen with this. Yeah, the texture is definitely amazing and it's silky. I do also sometimes run a little bit of oil through my hands, just a little bit, and put it on the ends, just because it is a blonde hair. So obviously it has the tendency to dry out a bit more than any other color hair. And there you go. It's like just like a really nice, straight, sleek look. So usually like the glue that I've been wearing for this unit is my Got To Be glue. But originally, like when I first started wearing, like this was like my first wig unit, so I wasn't sure about, why do I keep hitting the table? This was my first unit, so I wasn't really sure glue, and I didn't really feel comfortable with applying it myself for whatever reason, because I just didn't think I knew enough to, like, you know, do it right. So I actually went to my stylist and I used like a super whole glue. I'll let you guys know what type of glue it was, but I use like a stronger glue, and I don't advise that. And then you can easily just take your wig off. I just use a bit of rubbing alcohol to like get the glue off, but usually it comes off pretty easy anyway, so it's not really needed. The only thing I will say about this unit is I do wish it had a higher density, because the density is only 130 with this one. So it is a little bit thin, but that doesn't take away from the fact that this hair is bomb. Like, this hair is amazing. Like, I don't think I've ever had hair, not just in terms of like wigs, but just like bundles that have been blonde and this great. Like, it's super silky, the color is on point. It's not coppery, it's not orangish, like it's not any of that. It's super ash. And I actually was thinking as well, what I might do towards the end of this unit's life, meaning sort of when I've used it for quite some time, I think it would actually be really cute to do like a bob or like some sort of like cut. I think that would be really cute. Yeah, it takes really well to heat, as you can see. No sort of melting, no none of that. Because obviously if you see melting, then more than likely there's synthetic in the hair. In terms of shedding, I did not see a lot of shedding in the beginning at all. I will say now there's minimal shedding. Not a lot, minimal. But once again, I don't feel like that takes away from how amazing the hair is. Like, this hair is just great. And when I mean shedding, I literally mean like a couple hairs. Nothing serious. What I like to do as well, like when I'm styling, it depends on if I'm in a rush or not, but I like to get like some mousse and like slick it down like on top, just to get rid of any like little flyaways. I did see this, there's like this glue, I've seen on other YouTube videos, there's like this glue that you can get, or like some sort of cream or something, I could be wrong, but like, and it literally, like, you can get rid of the flyaways. So I actually might invest in that and use that in the future, especially with my unit that I got, my Yunli unit. We're gonna get blonde hair again. Like, I'm never dyeing my own hair again. Oh my gosh, like I tried that in high school, y'all. Never dye your real hair, never bleach your real hair. But yeah, if I ever was to go for a blonde look, this would be the unit. Like, hands down, like this hair is just everything. So as you guys can see, the hair is looking great. I mean, it's I definitely think that RiRihair did an amazing job with this unit. I do think I will be ordering from RiRihair again in the future because I love their units. I love the way that they pre-pluck them. Honestly, like if you're a beginner, their wigs are amazing. They did such a good job with it, and I definitely recommend the hair. You'll love it, girl. Don't hesitate. Go ahead and buy their hair, girl, because it's bomb. This video is not sponsored at all. I bought this wig with my own money. I researched, I did all my research. I found it, like, it's amazing, you guys. If you're looking for a bomb ash blonde, y'all, snatch up the wig, okay? Snatch it up. Go ahead. Don't hesitate. So once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in my next video.